Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the cutest little crochet Pokemon, Piplup. And this one is a little extra special because it's a member exclusive tutorial. If you'd like to crochet along with me, you can join my YouTube channel membership and get access to this full video tutorial. And if you prefer working from a written pattern, you can also find the Piplup written pattern on my Ravelry. In this tutorial, we'll crochet Piplup step by step, starting with the head and body, then making his little hands, feet, beak, those cute white belly details, and of course, his little blue cape. I'll also show you a neat and clean technique for changing colors, especially for creating the details on Piplup's face. I really love how this little guy turned out. He has such a cute and slightly serious face, like he's quietly judging us while we crochet him. And if you've been following my other Pokemon crochet tutorials, you might already have a few Pokemon friends from the channel. Maybe after making Piplup, you can start building your own little crochet Pokemon collection. Although I have to warn you, once you make one, it's very easy to want to make another one. So, get yourself comfortable, grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's spend some relaxing crochet time together. Alright, let's get started and make this adorable little Piplup.